Welcome! Today I've heard of me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you how to enable or disable silent mode on this device. So first open the settings application here, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you can see here the sound mode section. Just to activate the silent mode, switch sound to the silent one. Now all the ringtones, messages and notifications, they are moved, as you can see. If you want to turn it off, by the same way switch silent to the sound mode here. And also we can make it just by the second way. First, you should open notification panel, and here you will find the sound icon. Just to activate silent mode, click here twice on the sound icon and you'll switch it to the silent mode. If you want to turn off silent mode, click here on the sound icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.